Looking to make your home smarter, cozier, and way more convenient? These brilliant Amazon home gadgets are the upgrades everyone's talking about, from clever cleaning tools to space-saving essentials you'll actually use. They're practical, fun, and designed to make everyday living feel effortless. All the gadgets are linked in the description below. Turn any wall into a living light show. These smart curtain lights can display colors, patterns, and even animated designs you create yourself. You can upload pictures or sync them to your favorite songs, so the lights dance with the beat. Whether it's for a cozy bedroom vibe or a festive holiday setup, you control everything right from your phone or with your voice. Indoors or outdoors, they always steal the spotlight. Meet the desk buddy that does it all. This clever LED lamp not only brightens your workspace, but keeps you cool with a built-in fan. You can tilt, fold, and adjust it to shine exactly where you need. The soft, flicker-free light is gentle on your eyes, perfect for long study sessions. It even shows the time and temperature while holding your pens, keeping your desk tidy and your focus sharp. Bring memories to life in stunning clarity. This large digital photo frame lets you share moments instantly from your phone, email, or cloud. Photos auto-rotate for the best view whether it's on a wall or a desk, and the brightness adjusts to your room's light. With built-in storage for thousands of pictures, it keeps your favorite moments always on display. It's like having a living photo album that never closes. Want to wow a crowd? This 3D hologram fan projects floating images that look like pure magic in midair. With over 500 ultra-bright LEDs, every color and detail pops with incredible realism. You can upload your own videos through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and even sync sound for a full audio-visual experience. It's perfect for parties, shops, or events where you want all eyes on your display. Just plug it in and let the show begin. Float into comfort with this cozy swing chair that feels like sitting on a cloud. The thick, silky, soft cushion supports your back, arms, and legs, melting away pressure as you relax. Built with a sturdy iron frame and hand-woven design, it can hold up to 330 pounds while still looking elegant. You can hang it from wood or concrete ceilings, or pair it with a stand for easy setup anywhere. Perfect for reading, napping, or just unwinding. It turns any space into your personal escape. Meet the ultimate pet grooming helper that cleans as it trims. This smart grooming vacuum collects loose fur the moment it's cut, keeping your floors spotless while your pet gets pampered. With 7 tools, including a clipper, nail grinder, and de-shedding brush, you can handle everything at home. The quiet motor keeps pets calm, and the large dustbin means less emptying. Grooming day just got a whole lot easier for both of you. Bring a soft glow and a touch of romance to any room. This Calla Lily Bouquet lamp looks like real flowers, but shines with warm LED light for a cozy, dreamy vibe. The petals feel natural to the touch, and the cordless design makes it easy to place anywhere. It even has a built-in timer to save energy. Perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, or as a thoughtful gift that never wilts. Turn any corner of your room into a sparkling light show. This crystal table lamp glows in 16 colors, shifting beautifully through diamond-cut patterns that shimmer like glass. You can control the mood with a touch or remote. Go from cozy and warm to vibrant and party-ready in seconds. Even when it's off, it doubles as a stunning decor piece. Elegant by day, magical by night. No more awkward angles or bad lighting. This Selfie Stick tripod has everything built in. It extends for wide shots, folds down for portability, and even includes dual adjustable fill lights so your photos always look professional. The Bluetooth remote makes hands-free shooting super easy, while the stainless steel frame keeps it sturdy. Perfect for live streams, travel vlogs, or just capturing memories effortlessly. These shoes have a secret, hidden wheels that pop out with a press of a button. One moment they're regular sneakers, the next you're gliding across the pavement like a pro. Made with durable materials and non-slip soles, they're built for comfort and balance. Perfect for commuting, casual skating, or just showing off a cool transformation that turns everyday steps into smooth rides. Meet the water bottle that thinks for you. This smart bottle tracks every sip through built-in sensors and syncs it straight to your phone. When it's time to drink, it glows or beeps, so you'll never forget to stay hydrated again. It even shows up on your Apple Find My app if it ever goes missing. Plus, it keeps your drink icy cold and leak-free all day long. Your bathroom scale just got a serious upgrade. This smart body analyzer doesn't just show your weight, it reveals your full body composition in seconds. Using advanced frequency sensors, it measures fat, muscle, and water levels for a complete health snapshot. The handle electrodes ensure precise readings every time, and your data syncs instantly to the app. It's like having a mini health lab right at your feet. Messy cables ruining your setup? Not anymore. These clever magnetic cord holders snap your wires neatly into place with just a click. Stick them on your desk, wall, or car dashboard, and they'll keep every cord organized and easy to grab. The strong adhesive stays put but leaves no residue when removed. Simple, tidy, and surprisingly satisfying every time you pop a cable in. This isn't just a speaker, it's a showpiece. The magnetic base makes the speaker float and spin in midair while glowing with soft LED light. Music plays in full 3D, filling the room from every angle for an immersive experience. Touch controls let you adjust volume or lighting with a single tap. It's futuristic, mesmerizing, and guaranteed to grab everyone's attention. Losing your stuff is officially over. This clever key finder lets you track down your keys, wallet, remote, or even your pet with just the press of a button. Each receiver beeps loudly and flashes a light so you can spot it even in the dark. No phone app needed. The signal reaches across rooms and through walls. It's the stress-free way to find what matters fast. Digging through your fridge just got a serious upgrade. These clear rotating trays spin smoothly so you can grab sauces, jars, or snacks without moving a thing. They fit perfectly in narrow spaces and bring hidden items right to the front with one easy turn. The sturdy design stays stable with suction cups underneath. It's the simple spin that keeps your fridge neat, organized, and frustration-free. Now your faucet can light up like magic. This LED water tap glows blue, green, or red depending on the water's temperature, so you'll always know if it's hot or cold before you touch it. No batteries needed. It powers itself through the water flow. It even helps save water with a built-in filter. Fun, practical, and perfect for turning any sink into a mini light show. Cleaning the toilet doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This electric toilet brush spins fast to wipe away grime in seconds, doing the hard work for you. The soft silicone head reaches deep without scratching, while the smaller crevice brush tackles tight spots. It charges easily and hangs on a ventilated wall mount to stay dry and odor-free. Fast, clean, and totally effortless. Neck tension after a long day? This smart massager melts it away in minutes. It uses deep shiatsu kneading to mimic real hand pressure, loosening stiff muscles in your neck, shoulders, and back. The gentle heat adds soothing comfort, while its 3D ergonomic design fits perfectly to your body's curves. Completely cordless and easy to use anywhere, it turns everyday stress into pure relaxation. Wrinkled clothes right before you head out? No problem. This portable handheld steamer heats up in just 30 seconds and smooths out fabric fast. It delivers powerful, even steam you can use vertically or horizontally without any leaks or spills. The detachable water tank keeps it running longer, and it's safe for everything from clothes to curtains. Fresh, crisp outfits made simple, wherever you are. If long car rides make you queasy, these motion sickness glasses are a game changer. Their clever liquid-filled frames create an artificial horizon that helps your eyes and inner ear sync up, easing nausea fast. No medicine, no side effects, just relief. They're lightweight, foldable, and perfect for road trips, flights, or even boat rides. Pop them on when motion hits, and enjoy the journey instead of fighting it. Who says you need a fancy bathroom for a real soak? This foldable bathtub gives you a full spa experience anywhere you set it up. It unfolds in seconds, holds plenty of water, and even keeps it warm for over an hour. The lid lets you relax with your phone or tablet while you soak. When you're done, it folds flat to tuck neatly under your bed or beside the washer. Got bitten? Don't scratch, suction it! This clever little tool uses simple suction to pull out insect venom and saliva before the itching and swelling kick in. No chemicals, no mess, just instant relief that actually works. It's reusable, lightweight, and small enough to keep in your pocket or bag. Perfect for mosquito bites, bee stings, or any outdoor adventure gone buggy. Tired of juggling pots and pans just to make a balanced meal? This electric food steamer does it all at once. Its 3 stackable trays let you cook veggies, seafood, and rice simultaneously. No flavor mixing, no hassle. With a digital touch panel, fast heating, and an auto keep warm feature, it's perfect for healthy, stress-free cooking any time of day. If cleaning your makeup brushes feels like a messy chore, this clever 3-in-1 mat makes it easy and satisfying. One side scrubs away every trace of product with textured silicone, while the other neatly holds brushes upside down to dry. It even doubles as a storage bowl, keeping everything organized. Gentle on bristles and super easy to rinse, it's a beauty lover's must-have for clean, fresh tools. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.